So this next clip is about HaHa Davis. All right, HaHa Davis has been trending lately, and a conversation came up about him and his girl, and I thought that this was crazy. Let's just go ahead and jump on into the clip, man. And this is from your boy O'Shea Duke Jackson. All right.
He had the rabbit right his arm to come up out of there. Dog walking. Come on, HaHa. And then they called the police. What made you? What? I thought he was an intruder.
On June 10th, 2026, Club Shay Shay released the HaHa Davis interview. And it didn't really perform as well as I thought it would,
No.
but certain parts of it did perform very well. HaHa Davis is an internet comedian. He was Drewski before Drewski, just a lower level of it. But one thing that we do understand is that he's been doing a lot of skits with his girlfriend. And this woman's name is Ridiculously Bomb. You can always see her and him doing.
Whoa, 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 wait. Hold on. That thing, I know I wasn't tripping. So she's a massage therapist, and she says, I like girls who like girls. Fellas, y'all gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful.
Her
That's crazy.
And him doing skits rather frequently now in his career. But it is important to understand that his girlfriend, Ridiculously Bomb, also known as Melly, is bisexual. It's literally in her bio. Massage therapist. I like girls who like girls. From what I understand, she's also on OnlyFans.
No, bruh.
So, as you can see, she's the best church girl that you ever seen. Got it! Now that we know a little bit about her.
But before we get into all that, can y'all please help me understand why in the world do guys that pretty much have their pick of the litter, they can possibly get any chick out there? You're funny, you got a decent amount of money, you got everything that a man that most people could possibly want in their lives. Why in the world would you go and get with a chick that has an OnlyFans that like girls and I'm not saying that she's one of them Instagram bobs, but bro, like y'all be setting yourselves up, man, and they wonder why these chicks literally come in there and use them for their money. I'm not saying that this is this young lady, but most of the time when you deal with these type of chicks that's out here showing their body or dressed the way that some of these young ladies dress and move how they move, they literally just there because you got the bag. The moment you fall off, it's a wrap.
Let's find out what HaHa Davis admitted on the podcast.
Buckle
Me
up.
and my girl have indulged in that though.
Y'all have it?
We have. Like just try to keep me happy. Like we've done those swing. They call it swinging. Yeah, we did a little swinging. She agreed to it. Yeah, we did a little swinging.
Oh my God! So let's talk about
Ugh.
this idea of swinging. Now, a lot of
Hollywood.
guys, once they become big time internet comedians or athletes or whatever you want to say, they typically have these kind of rules in their relationships. Even for the women that they're messing with, they kind of get with these sexually fluid women that are very, very freaky. And this is kind of why OnlyFans models and booty clappers keep winning. What they'll do is they'll get with somebody like Ridiculous Bomb.
And try to turn into a
what will
housewife.
happen is she will allow him to do threesomes with her and the other chicks. And, then as you keep messing with somebody like her, you keep going up the booty clapping index. And after a while, there's literally nothing else that you can do anymore.
But hold on, to be fair, I noticed because I pay close attention to words. He said, "Listen, we did a little, they did a little swinging," and what he said was, "Yeah, she did it to keep me happy," which means he went to her. It was his idea to do the swinging. Now, listen, I'm not saying that guys should be out here doing it, but I can understand the little threesome situation. When I say threesome, I mean a guy and two girls. All right, it's not the same. Two dudes and a chick that we call that a train. I had this discussion with some people a few years back. That's not a threesome. All right, if it's two girls, I mean if it's two guys and a girl, that's a train. Two girls, one guy, I can understand that, but it was his idea to do the swinging thing. What? Man, let me tell you something, man. A lot of these guys be weird before they even get the money. For real. They mind be all jacked. Because why in the world would a man in his right mind want to see another chick that he cares about, that he rocking with? Now it's a difference between a bop, right? But he got this woman staying with him. They live together. He has identified this young lady as his girlfriend. It's a small title, but it's a title. Meaning, listen, I'm rocking with you. And you decide to bring another guy into the situation, that's weird, bro.
Starting off drinking,
Weird.
then going to weed. Then next thing you know, you're on crack. So
Sure.
that's kind of how their relationship went. You get with the booty clapper, you get to have her and other chicks. But sometimes you gotta go head on and
You don't want nobody else doing that to your lady.
That's what I'm saying, though. So what did she say with hey, Carlos?
And no, after we got done, she tried to come to get the hell on from me. I just seen that man put you. I'm talking about you. Look, he turned you away but loose. I didn't left her with him. You hear me? Cool. Because it was like when you want to have fun. You want to have fun in your life. That was, you know what I mean? Something
That was a one-time thing, though, right?
Oh, of course.
No. Wait. You want to have fun? What's fun about letting another dude sleep with your woman? What's fun about? I don't understand it. I don't want to understand it. You know what? I don't even want to go down that road. That's
I would
crazy.
never allow that to happen to you.
so HaHa Davis was distraught, fam. His girl got clapped basically by some dude, and he was so mad that he would not let it happen again because again they were in this swinging thing. Now I'm pretty sure HaHa Davis was somewhere clapping, and as he was clapping, this other guy was better at clapping his chick, and he was really distraught about that, allegedly.
Nah.
But
Look, he was doing so good. I said, I know she don't want this after that. I know you don't. It ain't no way you want this after what he just did.
But ain't no way you could be in the same. You got to be in another room and just to put it in your mind. Well, I know what he's doing. Blah blah blah. So forth. So
No.
ain't no way you could watch that. HaHa.
That's why you look. I seen it one time. I never seen
Oh
it.
come on, man. Oh
Man, I'm talking here there with dog walking.
This
Full control of your old lady.
damn.
damn, bro, I was clapping your girl's cheeks so bad. He was dog walking her. But it gets worse.
Come on,
I
HaHa.
then they called the police.
What made you?
I thought
What?
he was an intruder.
He said dude was clapping her cheeks so loud, he almost called the police. That is definitely some serious booty clapping. This was important because I was curious of how people were going to react to all of this.
These men be
Wait. Before we get into all that, fam, pay attention to the words, bro. HaHa Davis was watching this thing happen in real time. He wasn't in another room. No, fam. This dude, he was watching somebody else clap cheek. Man, that's his girl. HaHa Davis was watching that, bro. He wasn't in no another room. He wasn't just listening to the sound. That man was watching it with his eyes. Weird.
asking for three ways and to be swingers and all that, baby. I want something for me. Mama gotta have a life too. Whether that's two peen or a peen and some twat, I'm gonna get my pick at the litter. And she not wrong.
Hey,
Oh no. Look. It's always these. She got her eyebrows bleached, blonde, bro. Get up out of here with a bonnet on her head. Why, ma'am? Why are you here? Take that mess. No, man. Listen. Chicks like this, listen, we ain't checking for. These type of chicks that dress, act like this, they got this type of mindset. Ain't nobody checking for you, man. Cut it out. Ain't no man in that mother loving house. That's why it's just you.
I mean, I guess you can look at it like that.
No,
Mama gotta have her fun.
no,
But
no.
I'll be down if my girl be like, hey, like, you want to swing? Like, I'll beat the fuck out of you. Boy, you don't sit your stupid ass down. Who the you think you is?
That boy going to jail.
this
going
dude
to jail.
wanna whoop on the chick. Bro, you gotta take this video down, man. Because you said you were ready to beat her behind. That is crazy. You already you're diabolically insane. And let me just say this, for guys who was really getting on him for being a simp, he's a buster.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not even gonna really deal with that because I mean people just like what they like. I've kind of analyzed some of this stuff a little bit, and you know I'm in celebrity, and people with a lot of money, a lot of opportunity, you know, may do some of this stuff, and the relationship dynamics don't change. I mean, Adam 22 does it. So these relationships where people who are into freaky stuff.
No, man. Let me say this. I think the issue with HaHa Davis, just from the outside looking in, man. I think this brother probably didn't have the right people around him, like in his ear, to give him some game, like a OG, like bro, ain't nowhere in the world like. Again, you got the right people around you. You know, you have that foundation, like guys, like conversations like this probably should have came up before you got into something like that. Like, bro, you know, I'm thinking about what's the name, and then the OG could have walked you down that thing, explaining like, yeah, I don't think that's the move, fam. Now with your old lady. Now again, if you just kicking it with a chick or whatever, and you know what I mean, this ain't no long term thing, maybe. But even then, man, watching, listening to somebody else, it's a difference between just passing a chick like, yo, I'm done with her, bro. You can go ahead and do what you do. But the fact that y'all got to go home together, nah, fam. This is beta material all mother loving day. I don't I don't know what the hell going on.
Happens a lot in whatever. Okay, that's not the big deal for me. I know you want to be able to say that he's a simp, whatever. Here is the real big issue for me.
Social media comedian HaHa Davis is behind
Oh,
bars
yeah.
for no laughing matter here. He is accused of domestic violence. The Detroit native, whose real name is Carlos Davis, was arrested by Utica police on Friday. Investigators haven't released any additional information on the victims. We don't know much about the circumstances. Davis is being held at the Macomb County Jail on a $5,000 cash surety bond.
So just last year, this same
Wait. Him and that dude pretty much one and the same then. The guy that said he was going, man, are they not one and the same? That's exactly what he said. But one thing that guy was saying was like, if my girl came to me and said that it was HaHa Davis' idea. I want to point that out, but this dude out here putting his hands on women is crazy, bro.
called the police on HaHa Davis.
For?
And see, this is the most important thing, not the fact that he watched her get her cheeks slapped. And the reason why that's not important, because she's expendable.
Is that what they fought
I hate
over?
to say that to anybody watching, ladies watching or something like that, but just hear me out. This lady is, she likes women. You can go onto the page. She's literally in here twerking with females. We can't even show it. Throwing money all around. I mean, a woman like this is a dime a dozen. There's nothing that's special about her. She can easily be replaced.
Fact.
Okay? So, if he just didn't like what happened, he could let her go.
Fact.
But here's the situation, though. She called the police on him. He damn near went to jail. I remember when I did this story. Then he got back with her after she called the cops on him. So I don't care nothing about this whole situation where you guys were swinging and you guys have made an agreement to, let her get her cheeks clapped in front of you. I don't really care about that. What I care.
Hold on, wait a minute. I hear what O'Shea is saying about that, but listen, once the police is called, the relationship is over. Once you get authorities involved in any way, shape, form, or fashion, to keep it a band with you, this is why relationships are between two people. Like y'all need to be able to have those type of conversations or whatever. Now, again, if it's an abusive relationship, I don't think that a young lady should stay there. This is boyfriend girlfriend. You know what I'm saying? So honestly, that's no real title. I believe that you're single until married anyway, but that's no real commitment. If somebody is putting their mother loving hands on you, they being physical, it is time to get out. And we've seen so many times where that's not even the case. You got a lot of these chicks out here that, these guys just be sleeping with the enemies. Like, again, these chicks just getting with you because you got money. But if they get the opportunity to be able to secure some type of bag or leapfrog to another guy that got money, another person that got bread or whatever, or they can take some bread with them, you're going to start to see them doggone true colors, right? And so getting into situations like this, can't do it. Like, I can't even play like that. Like, even on skits, couldn't do it. You sitting there putting your leg up on another guy. Oh, nah, fam. Nah. What's mine is mine. And once you even act like you giving that thing to somebody else, it's a wrap. I can't do it, bro. I cannot do it. But this is what we're seeing, man. A lot of Hollywood going on. A lot of these guys, again, already be messed up in the head. They be weird long before they get the money, long before the fame, before the girls and all the rest of the other stuff, the liquor, the alcohol, the drugs, whatever. They be weird way before all of that stuff comes along, man. But the thing that I don't understand is, like, a lot of y'all, a lot of people know that they don't have like a solid foundation. A lot of people know that they got a lot of issues that they need to get through, right? It's not solid up there. So why in the world, when you get the money and stuff, that you don't pay to get help? Is that not what the money is for? Like, it's supposed to give you a little bit more freedom to be able to do the things that you need to do, and then the things that you want to do. And you should have paid to get help, bro. Like, because I think that's got to be like a mental issue for you to allow, to be okay. No, scratch that. To bring that up. Yo, you ever thought about swinging? That's the conversation that y'all having? You got too much time on your hands, brother. But if y'all want to check out this entire video, because I don't want to play the entire thing, man. If y'all want to check out this entire video, y'all go check out O'Shea Duke Jackson, man. Doing some phenomenal work over there. But yeah, y'all let me know what you guys think down in the comments, all right? Davis is just weird, bro.
Blueberry, Burberry, butternup, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.